Chapter 1, Section 4. We're going to learn about the commutative property of addition. Notice I have addition up here. The associated property of addition and the identity property of addition. The commutative property of addition goes like this. If I have one number plus another number, the commutative property says I can just reverse around the way I've added them together and it would be the same number. The associative property goes like this. If I have A plus B in parentheses plus C, in addition, I can just switch those parentheses around and say A plus B plus C, and those would be equal to each other. It would be the same number. Now, this is just in addition right now. I want you to understand that. Then there's the identity property. The identity property says this. A plus any number plus 0 equals that number. That's the identity property. Now, this is all the properties of addition. Let's now take a look at different properties of multiplication. And I've kind of written multiplication up here, shortened it a little bit. The commutative property is just like the commutative property of addition. In other words, A times B is the same as saying B times A. That's the commutative property. Same with the associative property. In other words, in parentheses, A times B times C is the same as saying A times, in parentheses, B times C. The identity property is a little bit different. Identity property says A times 1 equals itself. So anything times 1 equals itself. 0 property says A times 0 equals 0. So anything times 0 will equal 0. That's a 0 property.